All right, last but not least, in this room, Enabling Technologies 2-track for today is a longtime friend of the Edge AI and Vision Alliance. How many presentations have you given over the years?
Over 5.
I would say more than 10, probably. This is Yair Siegel, Senior Director for Wireless and Emerging Markets at Ceva, with a presentation called NPU IP Hardware, Shaped Through Software and Use Case Analysis. The tinyML aspect of this one I'm particularly interested in hearing more about. Over to you.
Great. Thanks, Brian. So yeah, I'm Yair Siegel, based in Mountain View here for Ceva. Brian and I go back probably to the first Embedded Vision Summit. I think it was 2012. So, you know, every year or two, myself or someone else at Ceva, I come back and typically present the latest and greatest vision processor, which turned into NPUs in the last couple of years, and always add more capabilities, more features, more number of Macs, etc. So today is a bit different. So we're going actually to the low end. So if you guys were in the previous session, so remove a few zeros from what we discussed before. And this is what we talk about, Ceva's NeuPro-Nano. NPU actually supports 32 or 64 int 8 Macs per cycle. And because it is a very low-end capability, we're still able to run a lot of advanced machine learning networks. But approach that we took in this architecture was a bit different. There is a challenge that you need to run very sophisticated networks and very small hardware. So software is king in this case. And we took an approach of software first. And what I'll show you today in the presentation is basically what we did to define the architecture and define the requirements of the tools and the hardware by analysis of use case and focus on the software first. So just a minute, and Ceva, for those not familiar, we are a public company, basically licensing IP. We've been doing that for the last couple of decades, and we have good success in the market. Over 2 billion devices shipped annually with our IP. We're quite strong in the wireless connectivity side, things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, as well as NPUs. So for NPUs, we have from embedded ML up to generative AI, and today we will focus on the low-end embedded ML.